Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 2nd of March. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. We did have that snow squall move through the area with the Arctic air. Now it's in place for the day today. It's not going to be excessively cold, but for the time of year, it's certainly pretty cold out there with temperatures in the single digits and teens this morning, only getting into the 20s this afternoon. A very cold, but a bright day, and winds, if they are a little bit busy where you are this morning, will be diminishing here this afternoon. Now, before I get to the forecast for the rest of the week, I just want to recap a little bit. I'll do some temperatures maybe tomorrow, but I want to talk about snowfall for meteorological winter, December, January, and February. Boston, 60.9 inches. That's the ninth snowiest. Providence, number 2, 68.5 inches, so about 8 inches more than Boston. Worcester, 76.8 inches. That's good enough for a number 8. And Blue Hill, 78.6. That's good enough for a number 10. So Blue Hill, Worcester, Providence, and Boston, all top 10 snowy December, January, and February. It's pretty amazing the amount of snow that we've had. Very consistent cold as well. I'll take a look at that tomorrow. Tonight, clear, temperatures down into the teens. Tomorrow, warm front approaches. So I think that most of this is going to be rain in southern New England. There'll be a burst of snow up north. Temperatures will get into the 30s. It'll feel different. It'll start to feel a little more like spring in the afternoon tomorrow after the cold start. Partial sunshine in the morning. Clouds roll in. We get the rain or the mixed bag change to rain Tuesday afternoon and evening. It may impact the evening commute if it gets in here quickly enough with just wet roads. But if you're further off towards the north, watch for some slick travel. Tuesday night, rain around the area the first half of the night. Temperatures fall back to the 30s. And then we're at 45 to 50 on Wednesday with mostly sunny skies. I think it'll be a frustrating end of the week with the cold air kind of returning that cold, raw stuff from northern sections of New England. It will not be Arctic air, but it will be modified air, but cold. And then you'll see temperatures near record highs well to the south, Ohio Valley, Tennessee Valley, back through Texas, places like that. So some very warm air trying to surge northward. I think eventually this weekend or early next week, some of that will get in here, but it'll be a slow slog until that happens. Very typical this time of the year. We stay pretty cold compared with the rest of the country. Have a great day, everybody.